Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. So today is a Tuesday and today I want to review a product from Forest Essentials. Now this is a product that I actually love. I absolutely fell in love with this product the first time I used it, and it is not that famous product from Forest Essential. I don't know if it is very famous or not, but I haven't seen this product in a lot of skincare videos. So this is Forest Essential Deeply Nourishing Facial Cleansing Paste, Almond, Pistachio and Honey. The ingredients used in this products are pretty amazing. For example, organic sweet almond paste, pistachio butter, shea butter, steamed distilled rose water, aloe vera leaf juice, organic turmeric paste, fresh marigold and rose extract, buttermilk, honey, vitamin E, vitamin A. So all the ingredients are pretty amazing. Also, we can trust Forest Essential for good ingredients and good quality skincare products. Now this is priced at around 1650 rupees, so it is a little costly for the amount that it comes. Like what is the amount? It is a net quantity of 30 grams, so it is a little costly for the amount that it comes. You can get good quality scrubs or mild scrubs in market for much cheaper price. But of course, if you are going for a skincare that is very natural, very organic, and that should feel very luxurious to your skin, then Forest Essential it is. Forest Essential is a brand that suits a lot of people, and sometimes it just doesn't suit at all. For me, Forest Essential suits a lot. Like, all the products work amazing for me till now, whatever I have used. And this product is a cleansing paste. Now I have almost finished it. It is actually just finished. I wanted to include this in my empties video, but I wanted to explain this product to you because it's a very amazing product. So it comes in this scrubby form. If you can see, there are scrub particles in it. So it has mild granules in it with which you can scrub your face, and it is in a paste form. As it is mentioned, it is a cleansing paste. So what you have to do is you have to take a little bit in your hands and then massage it over your face, over your moist face, and then just wash it off. So the first question is, when do I use it? I use this paste whenever I want to deep cleanse my face. For example, after removing makeup, like there is a lot of makeup stuck in your pores. So I use this scrub to make myself feel really like absolutely clean and fresh, and that is exactly the feeling that this gives me. After I use all the makeup removers, cleansing balm, I go for this scrub if I am wearing a lot of makeup from past 2-3 days, to give myself that deep cleansing feeling. So whenever I feel I have a lot of dirt on my face, I use this cleansing paste. I use face wash on a daily basis whenever I want to clean my face. But when I feel there is something stuck in my skin, or I have been traveling from 2-3 days, or I have been in places where there is a lot of dirt and I feel my skin dirty, that is when I go for this paste. And this actually gives a very fresh, clean and very moisturizing feeling to my skin as well. It doesn't feel dry at all to me. Now I have a dry skin, so all the products that I use, I make sure that they don't leave my skin a lot more drier. So this thing doesn't leave my skin a lot more drier, and it cleans my skin like amazing. It gives a very, very amazing and a good feel after I use it. Now coming to the differences that I see after using it. First thing, I see my face very fresh and bright. Second thing, I feel very clean. I feel like every ounce of dirt is taken away from my face. Third thing, I also use it sometimes as a scrub for my body also. Like whenever I'm going for bath and I feel there is a little darkness over here, so I take this scrub and I apply it over here also to remove all the dirt or remove all the darkness, and it works really well for that as well. Now coming to its cons, the first thing is, again, it is a tub, so you have to use a scoop that comes with this tub to take out the product. It is not that squishy product, but it includes a genuine reason. It has those scrub particles, so you would have to scoop out the product. Second thing is, it is a little pricey. 16.50 for this much of quantity is pricey because I kind of finished it off very soon. Also, it was one of my go-to products, so I kind of used it every 2-3 days to give myself a very clean and fresh feel. But yeah, this is one product that I would highly recommend you to give it a try. It is very mild, it is not at all harsh. If you have dry skin, it won't leave your skin a lot drier. You might have to apply a light moisturizer after it if you want to, but I could do without that as well. So yeah, this was it for today's review. I'm sure it was not within 2 minutes, but if it was within 2 minutes, then yay. If not, then I hope you give this product a try and let me know in comments below how you feel about this product if you have already tried it. And yes, this is it for today's video. I shall see you soon in my next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.